How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? Today is October 15th, 2025. We are trading futures again. Yesterday, I blew my account that I got a payout on. I got paid out $1,500. I hit the profit target. But unfortunately, I blew it the next day. Right? But I want to say one thing. It is up to me how fast I want to come back. From when I started, right, from my first payout, it took me months to get another payout afterwards, right? But to get consistent, it's like this linear thing, right? So like I'd be consistent for a month, and then boom, I have a big mental break, and then I wouldn't be consistent for another 3-4 months, right? Then I come back and started being consistent, and after that, 2 months later, I started being consistent again. And then inconsistent for a month, back to consistency, inconsistency for a month or for like 2 weeks, and then back to being consistent. I got paid out, right? So it's up to me if I want to go back to being consistent or do I want to be, if I want to keep blowing accounts, keep trying to blame others for my mistakes, or do I want to take accountability, understand what happened, learn from those mistakes, and then come back stronger and become more consistent again, right? Completely up to me. I opened a top one futures instant funded account, so I'm going to be trading that today. I do have 2 Tradeify accounts that are just evals. I might pass them. I'm not sure. Right? Let's see what we got today. My mistakes, just not analyzing risk. Right? I've been extremely consistent, but I did not analyze my risk correctly. So the time that the one time that it didn't go my way, I got screwed. And I just have to be more mindful of it, right? Just got to be more mindful. That's all it takes. Right. Let's measure the open. We got a small opening today, 58-point open. I'm waiting for my bookmap to load in. I'm supposed to do something with one of the settings. I'm gonna be an order flow trader. You gotta stick to it, right? I'm gonna go more over analysis today. I really want to be careful. Like I've been saying, I wanted to be more careful and make sure I'm taking the right. I really want to be more careful, right? I only want to take trades that I know are completely analyzed. They make sense, and I have the certain risk factors associated to them, right? I don't want to. I don't want to just keep blowing accounts, right? Or not analyzing risk and wonder why I'm losing a lot, right? I want to be able to analyze it correctly. Session accumulated. Okay. I can have point of control on my chart now, which is nice. Deport. I'm gonna do this as do a light blue. And then, hold on, I gotta set my risk factors as well. So personal daily loss limit is the total amount I can make on one account. This could be 600. Liquidated block. Personal daily target 600. Liquidated block. I'm gonna save that. I think I'm gonna make that point of control a different color. It doesn't show me. Okay, so let's analyze what we got today. What we got today, that's weird. Okay, so actually opening range became bigger, and we're on a downward spiral. It's a 76-point opening range. Do I constitute it as high volume? Yes, I do. So 2 to 4 micros will be the plan for today. Coming into VWAPs at 24,974. Let's see what kind of orders we got. Okay, not many so far. Into the south side. Okay, we got to build up orders right here, here, here. Could be possible iceberg areas. Then we do have a buildup of orders 25,050, 25,200. We do have orders waiting to be traded into, right? Right now, we have a bearish outlook on the day. Overall time frame showed bullish, but it looks like we retraced quite a bit. I'm not gonna make a informed decision just yet. 15-minute opening range is not set. I'm sticking by that rule. I didn't stick to it by it yesterday, and I missed longs. I ended up over trading and all that kind of good stuff. All right, looks like we're rejecting off VWAPs pretty heavily too. I don't see any icebergs. I see a lot of buy icebergs. Looks like we're just going to be chasing some kind of stops, maybe around this area right here where the profile range is. I'm thinking we're going to go down to this level at 24,862. That could be a good target level. No buildup of orders to the upside, so could mean good trend to the downside. I'm not gonna make any infra decisions just yet. Opening range is not even set yet. We might have a bearish outlook for the day, but we're gonna wait and see. Looks like we already swept some liquidity too. Okay. total opening range as it's set now is 83 points, so that does constitute as high volume. Okay, looks like we got some big buy orders that came in. We're reacting off New York VWAP. We're still in a bearish order flow phase. It looks like order flow is going to start picking up bullish. That's a big bullish candle. Oh, it's like a 40, 50 point candle. Right, so we're probably targeting this level at 25. Tapped into some sell icebergs. Let's see if we can break this range right here. Right, small little range. That's why we were able to travel so quickly. We came into this volume right here, came into those orders, and it pushed price upwards, aiming at 25.025. All right, we'll just see if it holds up. We came into VWAPs right here. Could be a last chance for sellers to step in and to, no. We have a bunch of bullish buyers. Did sweep a lot of stops going upward. Stops could be all the way up here. We do have a clear area for shorts. Price could move quickly. I'm gonna just see if we get. Oh yeah, we definitely got a break of VWAP. Oh my god. Holy shit. Definitely not a good time to enter in right now. I'm gonna wait for this to. Some kind of news maybe came out. Man, I don't want to be trading through this zone. The zone is just very liquid, very easy to travel through. All right. Order flow might switch in bullish. All right, coming to lower highs and then almost created a higher high. We're rejecting off all VWAPs. I might take this trade. 2 contract. Oh, it did not fill me in. Did not fill me in. Did not fill me in again. Why am I not getting filled? What? Oh my god. No way I'm missing shorts right now. Fucking top 1 futures. Do I need to do identity verification? I've been verified. Any contracts I need to sign? Oh my god. Fuck off. No way. I missed shorts, everybody. Because top 1 futures made me sign a contract. Shit. Oh, I missed shorts. Okay. Well, it's too late to enter in right now. It already came down to this level. Unless it retraces. Alright. Can't FOMO into the trade now. We don't have a clear area where we can end up. Not just yet. Right. Take a sell position at the low of day or the low of like session right now would not be a wise idea. Unless we get some kind of confirmation we're going to keep moving downward. Right, so a little retracement, but then I would have to target some kind of pocket of liquidity. And that pocket of liquidity is already right here at 24,812. So that would be 100 points. Wouldn't be a bad idea, but we have a lot of volume nodes that are sitting right here. So it could be a risky move to take shorts. So I want to see some kind of retracement either to opening range again or to VWAPs. 10-year the New York overnight. Okay, so we got a rejection of opening range. We had a rejection of opening range. Sweep of opening range. All right, I'll take a short on this position. X. And I instantly get fucked. Oh, wow. I really got fucked. That's fucking nice. Those orders got removed. I didn't even see. I'm in for 2 contracts. I'm down $150. Tapped into some sell icebergs. Wow, what a retracement. Sweep of opening range. God. What on earth is going on? Oh, my position's terrible. Got at a terrible price. Looks like buyers are in. Everybody. Buyers are in right now. Ugh. Taking full loss on this one. Oh my god. $250 down the drain in seconds. Off of 2 contracts. Off of 2 contracts. Can you believe that? Down 268 on the day already. God, what on earth was that? Choppy day, guys. Choppy day. Just took me out of position for a $250 loss. 2 contracts, guys. I was only in 2 contracts. And I took a $250 loss. It's an 80-point loss. That's fucking disgusting. This might be a sweep of the VWAPs. We'll see. This would be a better price to enter in for shorts. I don't see any areas of liquidity down to the bottom that we can chase. Could be chasing yesterday's high. I think we are. I'm gonna enter in stop below VWAPs. Target's gonna be yesterday's high. I got some buy icebergs. I don't even like that reaction. Ugh. Reacting off opening range high. See if buyers sustain this position or not. Got some buy icebergs. Looks like sellers are trying to take it, but they can't. Should see this flip. Buyers are still in control. Looks like they're holding the control pretty well. See some algos trying to play games. It's a nice explosive move. Upward. Let me see, hit some buy icebergs. Oh, look at that sweep of liquidity. Oh, shit. Got a bunch of buy icebergs. Sellers are trying to take over, it seems like. I'm going to wait in this position. Still looks like we're going to push a little bit higher. The sellers just don't want us to come to that range. But I think we're going to definitely come to yesterday's high. We're just coming into a lot of pockets of liquidity. See if buyers sustain this. Looks like they might. I'm not surprised seeing sellers step in right here. Just need a lot more influx of buyers. See how we react off this volume node. Could be a bunch of buyers just sitting there. There's more buyers than sellers. There are some seller icebergs coming in, but it does look like just hidden liquidity. Looks like buyers are losing their position a little bit. There's some more icebergs. Could just be slipping stops in liquidity before we move higher. Do see a good influx of buyers. Target is still yesterday's high. We're coming up to sweep it. Still waiting for that push upwards. I guess I'm gonna wait. Might hop out of 2 very soon, but I think we're gonna hit this target pretty easily. Yep, I'm gonna set my stop below that candle's low. Still see big volume coming in. Some sell liquidity was hit right here. Just waiting for that finishing move. All right, coming into this volume node. Yeah, buyers are in, guys. Buyers are in. Ooh, we got a lot of sell icebergs getting added in. Come on, finish the move. Finish the move. We got some base support right here. See if it holds. May come down to this volume node right there. But I don't think there's enough sellers in the game right now. Buyers are holding their position very strongly. Just counteracting icebergs. Small, but they do make the difference. Sweep of liquidity. Come on, let's finally get that push. I'm gonna buy icebergs. Let's hit TP1, which is yesterday's high. Oh, we are so close. Let's just get that final push. Come on. We might not get it, guys. Let's get that final push. Come on. Volume is slowing down quite a bit, guys. So, gotta be ready to step out of position. My full TP target is 25.75. Would constitute as a full 100-point move. But it looks like sellers are stepping in. So I'm going to be very careful with this. A lot of selling pressure coming in. It is mostly hit liquidity to move higher, but in a certain case where that liquidity is just not reactive. Hold on. Oh, come on. We're almost there. We're literally almost there. Come on. Oh, by 1 tick. By 1 tick. 1 tick. Oh, no. Come on. Oh, we got so much buying pressure. I think we should be fine. Well, equal amounts of buying and selling pressure. Oh, we have a lot of sellers. Come on. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Keep chugging. Oh my god, guys. I didn't get filled by 1 tick. By 1 fucking tick. Once we shred through this, though, it would be a nice reaction probably to 75. Oh, we got a high volume coming in. See if we fill that. Oh, come on. One tick. You can't give me one tick? We're filled. Beautiful. Still in for half our contracts. Ooh, there we go. Should see full TP. Paste the tape and price is moving up higher. Oh yeah, they're clearing up liquidity. Should be an easy move. Only in for 2 contract guys. I'm just waiting for that 25.75 level to get hit. Piece of tape is still showing bulls can be in charge. Oh yeah. It's gonna be easy TP hit, guys. Easy TP hit. Coming soon. And we got 10 more points to go. Very close. Very close. Gosh, baby. We're up $227 on the day. Big comeback. Big comeback. Nice, nice. Got this full move. Average fill price was right about here. Yeah, we caught 96 points, guys. 96 points. Made back the $275 loss, and we're up to 27 for the day. Get my fills. I did take this short right here. I did get fucked instantly. All right, I took a short position right here. Got fucked. I was only aiming for 100 points right here. But yeah, got fucked. Enter in here. Average fill price was about like right here. So yeah, we caught about 100 points. Caught the longs. Didn't want to hold it. Already came back to a specific area liquidity. We could be hitting all-time highs today, guys. All-time highs is what is that? Oh no, that's 400 points away. But I mean, from the moves we've been seeing, it would make sense why we would. But yeah, up to 27 for the day. Seba's trading NQ. He said he caught 20 points. Dub Seba. Oh fuck, we're still climbing higher. Let's see if I can pass my other accounts. I'm done trading on the instant funded. I made 250 for the day, so yeah. 104 contracts, got that back. Yeah, I'm done trading on the instant funded. I'm gonna lock myself out. Don't feel like blowing that. I'm gonna lock myself out. But I'm gonna pass those two accounts that I have. Doesn't look like we might go shoot higher. Can't say for sure. We see a lot of slow volume. If I blow them, I blow them. I don't really care. They're just... Yeah, order book is switching bearish. Not many buyers in there. See a lot of sell pressure coming in. Nice. Easy. Targeting's open. Got sell icebergs, yeah. We switched order flow. Sellers are still holding that position pretty well. I think we're beyond a fractal pullback. Yeah. Should move fast through this. Nice volume nodes right here. Opening range would be the target. Big sell and pressure. And we're still dropping. Oh, we see a buildup of liquidity to the upside. I don't like that. Coming into a consolidated range. Ooh. Yeah, if I blow this, I blow it. Whatever. I'm not gonna tweak about it. Probably will. My guess. Order flow is still bearish in the short term. I only have $400 of drawdown. I'm in 40 micros, so see how that reacts. If it's blown, whatever. Yeah, it looks like buyers are in. Still. Stupid of me. Yeah, that account's blown. Let's see if we can maybe get some longs on this account then. If that's what we're chasing. Oh no, we're still chasing shorts. Really slow volume. See slower volume at the top. I mean, could just mean just shorts. We did climb 100 points above. Thinking maybe return to New York VWAP, but might not be a possibility. Damn. Don't blow this account too. Shit. Alright, both accounts blown. Whatever. Yeah, I had some fundeds, or not fundeds, instant fundeds, but it just did not work out in the end with them. So that was just a waste of $200. Whatever. I'm not gonna be too concerned about that. Yeah, but we are up. We are up on the funded. $250. Locked myself out. Not gonna keep trading on that. Yeah, I wish I took a smaller loss on that. Could have been up 500 for the day. Whatever. It is what it is. We can go over my analysis from this too. Oh, I knew shorts were in. It just took me out before I went in too heavy. It's okay. Whatever. Alright, so we did catch 100 points. Let's do a little analysis. Right, originally we see bearish order flow. We see a little chop, but it's moving in one direction. Which I did like for shorts, right? But I was gonna originally enter in right here, but it wouldn't let me. I had to sign some contract before I could even trade. I would have caught maybe, I don't know how much that is, maybe 40 points, right? Break out of opening range, but we ended up sweeping it, and I entered in right here instead of just waiting for a reaction of the VWAPs, and it completely took me out for a $270 loss. And then I entered in two contracts right here after this first break, and then after we started accumulating volume, I entered for the second. First target was yesterday's high. We hit partials on that, and then I had another TP at a specific volume range at a volume node, and that took full TP for us. We ended up catching 100 points. So, not a bad day after all. I'm out for the day. Looks like volume slowed down a lot. It looks like we're going to probably chop, maybe eventually go up again, but I don't want to sit through that. I'm up for the day, $227 on the day. And yeah, there's no point to force any more trades. I'm going to start journaling more probably. And I mean, we could do a little bookmap analysis, right? You can see exactly when it switched bullish. This is when I should have got out. Fuck, why is bookmap so slow? Updating my refresh rate. But right, so you see these buy icebergs, right? I should have taken notice of these. We were holding pockets of liquidity. We didn't want to come down to this volume node. It looks like it wasn't fair price. We were barely below VWAP, and we ended up just sweeping it, right? And I entered in after these iceberg events and realized we were, oh, look at that, all those stops getting swept. CVDs at 4,000, right? At this time, you'd see a bunch of buy iceberg activity, dumb money getting taken out, right? Just a lot of stops getting swept the whole entire time. More aggravated buying than selling. Now we're reaching like a wall, right? Buyers or sellers, step out of this. You don't want to trade this, right? Now you're going to see the algos playing games in consolidation. Why play that if you're up for the day, right? Just doesn't make any sense. But yeah, that's going to conclude my day for me. I hope you guys are up for the day. And yeah, have a good one, ladies and gentlemen.